Well, we headed to town this morning here in southwest Arkansas. It was always pretty snow. Still doing a little snowing this morning. As y'all can see, we got quite a bit of snow. Not quite as much as they were saying, but it's enough.
With the puts out of commission.
Yeah. You can see them trees with wet ice. We got some ice too. It's slick. People think just because they got a four-wheel drive that they're safe, but they're not. Still got to use your head about driving.
At this time of year, you see a lot of people on Facebook offering their four-wheel drives. Anybody who needs a ride. Look at that. Somebody ain't sit there and passed us.
Fucking idiot.
They rode up on us coming fast, and then they passed us.
I hope they get in the ditch before they going. They get off the road before they hurt somebody else.
It's ridiculous. It's not like driving in the rain. And they're rolling too.
If they get in the ditch, I won't pull them out.
I don't know where you need to be going. That it's a medical emergency. You need to call in an ambulance. Not putting yourself in more danger.
People are so retarded. And they they're going all over the road. I mean, I don't hope and wish they'd get hurt, but I hope they get in the ditch. They need to be off the road before they hurt somebody. Or somebody innocent that's driving right. That's the kind of people need to be in the ditch.
I mean, see that they're like up there.